You guys, I was so excited to bring you the video that I was supposed to upload for you today, but plans have changed. I'm bumping that back to next week and it's super exciting. But over the weekend, I received two equally exciting emails. Well, maybe not equally exciting, but after next week, you can decide. But anyway, these two emails made me really, really happy. I have you guys to thank for those emails, and I can't wait to share them with you. And I'm also going to have a free giveaway today, and I hope you're the winner, so keep on watching. Welcome to Boom 50 Fitness. My name's Regan, and this is your channel for all things health and fitness in your 50s and beyond. So I normally don't check my emails on the weekends, but I just had the urge to check, and I looked into my mail and there were two emails that I was really, really excited about. The first one, when I opened it, there was confetti and flying bananas, and it was from YouTube telling me that I reached 1,000 subscribers. If you are a content creator on YouTube, you know that 1,000 subscribers is a pretty big milestone. It takes a lot of work and it takes consistency and dedication, and I absolutely love making content for you guys, and I plan to keep on doing it. But one of the reasons 1,000 subscribers is a milestone is because you do need two different things to become monetized on YouTube. And one is a subscriber count of 1,000, and the other is 4,000 watch hours, which is what I am creeping up on, and I'm really excited, and I will share that with you when I do hit that. And you know what? I would probably create this content no matter what, but it's nice to get that congratulatory email from YouTube. And because I have you guys to thank for my subscriber count, our subscriber count, because you guys are my little Boom family, and I want to keep it growing. But the first person who leaves a comment down below, I'm going to send you a whole box of LMNT, which, if you know, that is my favorite electrolyte drink mix. And you have to watch till the end of this video. So watch the whole video. If you're not subscribed already, boom, smash that subscribe button. Give the video a thumbs up, ring that notification bell so that you are the first to know whenever I have a new video that's out, and then leave that comment down below, and the very first person who leaves a comment is gonna get that LMNT. So when I tell you what number 2 is, you might wonder, well, why is she thanking us for this? But it's actually something I have been thinking about for a really long time. But it wasn't until I created this YouTube channel that I really started doing my research on this and decided to just dive headfirst into this. I applied to graduate school. As you know, if you've watched any of these videos, I don't say it on all of them, but on a lot of the videos, I will say I have a degree in exercise physiology, but I am not a nutritionist or a dietitian or a doctor. But I do have that exercise physiology degree with a strong emphasis on nutrition. But so that I don't have to keep giving you that disclaimer, I decided to apply to graduate school, and over the weekend I was accepted, and I'm really excited about this program. It's mostly online. It should take me probably 1 to 2 years to finish, and the degree will be in health sciences and nutrition. So I'm excited to just bring you better information. I mean, I went to college in the late 80s into the early 90s, and back then they were still talking about the food pyramid. And as you know, so much has changed, and I want to help all of you out there to be as healthy and as fit as you can possibly be. So I thought this degree in health sciences and nutrition would just be like the icing on the cake. Or maybe I should say like the almond butter on an apple. And another reason I decided to do this is because with my clients, yes, I work them out, but we are constantly talking about nutrition. And when I work out myself, all I do is listen to podcasts, and a lot of times they're around health and fitness and nutrition. Actually, all the time. That's all I listen to: health, fitness, nutrition. My favorite is Huberman Lab. If you haven't checked it out, check it out. You will love it. But there's a bunch of other great podcasts out there. But I thought, you know what? I'm getting all of this information. Why don't I put it towards a master's degree? So I just wanted to make this short and sweet little video to thank you all for subscribing and sharing videos with your friends and family. And I can't wait to take you along on my journey as I reach for this master's degree in health sciences and nutrition. I'm just going to keep sharing everything I learn with you guys, and we'll keep growing and learning together. So next week, don't forget to tune in, because I will be sharing that video I mentioned earlier. It's going to be a really exciting video, and I think you're going to laugh, and you're also going to learn a few things. And I just really hope you join me next week for my next video. Don't forget, if you want a free box of LMNT, leave that comment down below. Remember, first person to comment is going to get that free box of LMNT. I love a giveaway, and I hope you're the one who wins. If not, I am going to start doing more giveaways on this channel now that I've reached that subscriber count. It'll just be my little way of thanking you guys for tuning in. As always, don't forget to do all the things. My name's Regan. This is Boom 50 Fitness, your new BFF. I will see you next Thursday.